Hello and welcome to our comprehensive skin care routine tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through a detailed and effective skin care routine for achieving a healthy and radiant complexion. Let's dive in. Skin analysis. Before starting your skin care routine, it's important to understand your skin type. Analyze your skin to determine whether you have dry, oily, combination, or sensitive skin. This will help you choose the right products for your skin's needs. Double cleansing. Double cleansing is a popular technique for thoroughly removing makeup, dirt, and impurities from your skin. Start with an oil-based cleanser to dissolve makeup and sunscreen, followed by a gentle foaming cleanser to cleanse your skin without stripping its natural oils. Exfoliation. Exfoliation is essential for removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub 2 to 3 times a week to reveal smoother and brighter skin. Remember not to over-exfoliate, as it can irritate your skin. Toning and serums. After cleansing and exfoliating, it's time to tone and treat your skin with serums. Toner helps to balance your skin's pH levels, while serums target specific skin concerns such as hydration, brightening, or anti-aging. Choose serums with active ingredients, like vitamin C or hyaluronic acid for best results. Moisturizing and masking. Hydration is key to healthy skin. Apply a nourishing moisturizer to lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Treat yourself to a hydrating sheet mask once a week for an extra boost of hydration and relaxation. Sun protection. Lastly, don't forget sun protection. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every morning, even on cloudy days. This helps to protect your skin from harmful UV rays and prevent premature aging. Congratulations, you've completed a comprehensive skin care routine for a healthy and radiant complexion. Remember to listen to your skin's needs and adjust your routine accordingly. Thank you for watching.